Most people think starting a cleaning business is easy money. But that is exactly why they fail within the first few months. Here's the truth no one tells you. Cleaning is not a labor business first. It is a customer acquisition and trust-building business first. In this video, you will learn exactly how I would start a cleaning business today step by step, even if I had no experience, no clients, and a small budget. You will see how to get your first paying customers fast, how to price correctly, and how to build a simple system that brings repeat income every week. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one mistake that stops most beginners from ever scaling past a few jobs. Let's start with the basics. A cleaning business can include house cleaning, office cleaning, or rental cleaning. The demand is constant because people are busy and want convenience, not extra work. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most beginners focus on cleaning supplies first, instead of customers. That is backwards. No customers means no business, no matter how good your service is. First step is getting leads. The fastest methods are local Facebook groups, Google Business Profile, and simple flyers in neighborhoods or apartment complexes. For example, Jake started in a small US city and got his first 5 cleaning clients just by posting affordable, same-day home cleaning offers in local community groups. But here's the problem. Most beginners wait until everything is perfect before they start offering services. That delay kills momentum and real earning potential. Second step is pricing. Keep it simple. Charge per hour or per home size, like small apartment, medium house, or deep cleaning. John, a beginner in Texas, increased his bookings just by offering clear flat rate packages instead of confusing hourly estimates. Now here's where most people fail. They undercharge just to get customers. That might bring quick jobs, but it leads to burnout and no real profit growth. In a minute, I'll show you how one cleaning job can turn into weekly recurring income without constantly finding new clients. Third step is trust building. Cleaning is a high trust service because you are entering someone's home. That means communication, punctuality, and consistency matter more than anything else. Always take before and after photos to show your results and build credibility. Now let's talk tools. You do not need expensive equipment to start. Basic cleaning supplies, a vacuum, and reliable transportation are enough in the beginning. You upgrade only after you start making steady income. But here's where it gets even more powerful. The real money in cleaning is not one-time jobs. It is recurring clients. Weekly, bi-weekly or monthly cleaning plans create stable income without chasing new customers every day. Now, imagine this. You clean a home once. The customer is happy. You offer a simple recurring plan. Now you have guaranteed income from that same client every month. So here's the takeaway. Starting a cleaning business is not about tools or effort alone. It is about getting customers fast, building trust, and turning one-time jobs into recurring income. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your city, and subscribe for more practical step-by-step business guides that help you start and grow real service businesses.